Hi there, and welcome back to another mad week of Alan's hot sauce reviews or challenges. Well, you can see here it's going to be a challenge today, and it's the very first one of the Pure Insanity Society, and this is basically called the Insanity. Now, in here, apparently, you have 4 little skulls. And in the mix, you have Can Reaper, Ghost Pepper, Long Pepper, like milk chocolate, sugar, cream, butter, and of course, chocolate. I'll do my diet the world of good. But let's see what this one definitely has in store for me. So, here we go. Until I find out exactly what's going on here. You get that there. A nice little sticker to go with my collection. Oh, I'll tell you what. Oh, look at that. Crack-a-lackin'. Now, what you have here, that's the disclaimer, right? And what you have here is a spicy candy disclaimer. Right, so I'm just going to do the disclaimer. So I'll get this one over and done with first, okay? Right, so I, Alan Graham, over 18 years of age, of sound mind, have read and understood the product disclaimer provided. In summary, I accept that, I'm going to say this right, Gamelstad, Carmel AB and the suppliers and retailers will, under no circumstances, be held responsible for or liable for any claims of injury arising from me consuming this product or multiples thereof. I acknowledge and agree to this fact without question because I'm the one that's stupid enough to be doing it. So, that gets that one out the road, right? I have to admit, I'm going to try and keep this in frame all the time. I do like the little sticker you get with this, and I'll put that one with my collection. So, what basically you have here is 4 skulls. And what I've got to do apologise for that, is start with this one, move to that one, move to that one, and go for the big boy at the top. That's the way it goes. And after every skull, you take as long as you want to eat it, but you have a 2-minute afterburn after every single skull. Okay? So I do have my little clock here, so we'll be doing that. So without further ado, my friends, as you all know, I asked you to pick my next challenge, and this was the one you put me up for. And apparently, it doesn't actually say, what's that here, sorry? No, where is it? What's there? Apparently there's like basically, from what I understand, 2 ghost peppers, 2 can reapers in every single skull. If I'm wrong, someone will tell me just shortly. So I start off with this yellow one. I'll tell you what, look at that. Oh, I actually love the look of that. That's cracking. So, here we go, my friends. The Pure Insanity Society. And this is the Insanity Challenge. Do you all satisfy your mental craving for heat today? It's a good way of testing what your tolerance is. Well, that's lovely, lovely chocolate. That's lovely. 2 minutes. You're getting the heat. Not uncomfortable at the moment, but you can feel it bubbling. They put chocolate and inside it. It's definitely got like a butter cream to it. Oh. Nicey, nicey. I should have got something here. Don't think that's not going to be high enough. Oh, no. Can you see that? I'll bulb this up yet. There we go. Makes it a lot easier. But so far, my heat is okay. Very low. I'm talking low 1. But what I've heard about this, as you go along those skills, I'll definitely pick up. And as you all know, I'll get this here. I do have the other ones as well. The Pure Insanity. Apparently that has 4 Reapers in them and things like that. Which then leads me up to the 4 Horsemen. And if they taste anything like this, I'm going to be a happy man. So the next one, without dropping it, will be that orange one. Oh, I love the look of that. There you go, 2 minutes. Stop, reset. Okay guys? Lovely flavour. Yeah. Just the flavour of that alone is lovely. What did I say I had there? I'll definitely say you're getting the cream and the butter from it. That there. The chocolate is lovely. Heat. Got a little tingle on the tongue now. But not. It's not uncomfortable. But as I say, this is a good way of testing where tolerance is, because I'm trying to be working on my tolerance to take these on, because they do push you, especially when you move on to the next ones with the more Reapers and things like that. See, this one's only apparently got 2 Reapers on them and 2 Scorpions. I hope I'm right. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. I'm sure someone will let me know. But my heat now, a tingle on the tongue. There you go. You can feel it here a wee bit, but oh, nicey, nicey. So the next one tells you to wear gloves as well. It's me you're talking to. Is that one. Okay. Which basically leaves the big red one last. Okay. I have to say, I love the artwork on these. Well, there you go. Okay. Stop. Okay. The artwork on them alone is lovely. Okay, so let's leave the big boy. We'll see it. I don't know why I've done this one red. Like that. The actual red, you see that? No. You see the actual artwork making the skull is spot on. You can actually feel it more here than in the mouth. Very, very tasty. I could eat that all day, flavour wise. So, as I say, the next one up will be the pure insanity. And the very last one is the Four Horsemen. You have to go in order with these ones because of the amount of peppers and heat that's in them. That's 3 in. I say my tongue's at a 1 now, mid 1, not a high one. I just can't go over how tasty that is. Didn't get like a butterness from it. But when you see that, look at that. I don't know if this one's any different, but that's the one you take last apparently. Oh, there you go, right? Who's that? Oh, that's a different taste. Mmm. There's more pepper on that one. Right away. The flavour changes. There you go. There was definitely more in that one compared to this. The flavour was totally different. Totally different. Heat wise, I'm a good one. Now that last skull definitely taking the heat up. Different flavour. I prefer the other 3 to that one. You can see the Santa here. That goes with my collection. Tell you why I waste it. Heat's definitely building now. Not uncomfortable, but you can definitely feel it. I'll say I'm more right into the 2s now. Lovely burn. But there you go, guys. First of the Insanity range. The Insanity one. Done and dusted. There you go. There you go. Well, so heat wise, I'm at a good 2 now. Flavour wise, the first 3 lovely and creamy. That last one had a definite change of flavour and burn. Liked it though. So, that's me done for another day. Hope you liked this very short video. I'll go and find something else to do now. I'll see you all later. Bye.